Hello students, in last class we learnt about perimeter. In today's class we are going to learn about area. See children, perimeter is the outer skirt. This is the perimeter, okay? This is the perimeter. And the inside part is the area, okay? The inside part is the area. The inside part is the area. This is the inside part, okay? The boundary is the perimeter. Red color boundary is the perimeter, okay? Sides, some of the sides of the shape, okay? You have to do plus. Now to find area, okay? Area is the inside part. So let us see how we can find the area. Okay, see in your textbook, Sanya, I have more chicky than you. Virat, I have more chicky than you. See, there are two children who are saying, I have more chicky than you, I have more chicky than you. Sanya and Virat. Sumatai comes. Now a big Didi comes and she tells, stop. Don't fight, Sanya. Why don't you count the number of chickies, squares you have? So we will find out who has more chickies. Instead of fighting, let us count. So let us count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Sanya has how many chickies? 16 chickies. Okay. 16 squares. Now let us see how many chickies, who has how many squares of chickies Virat has. Let us count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Virat also has 16 chickies. Just the shape is different. Okay, but they have equal squares of chickies. They have equal amount of chickies. Now, Virat, you count the number of chickies that you have. I have 16 squares of chickies too. Now tell me, who has more chickie? We were fighting over nothing, Tai. We both have the same amount of chickie. दोनों के पास equal quantity में चिक्की था. जब squares count किए तब उनको पता चला. That's right. But let me explain it to you properly. The thickness of the squares of the chicky you both have is the same. So let's measure their surface. There are 16 squares of equal measures on both your slabs. Okay? Both have chicky slabs. And both the slabs have 16 number of squares. Therefore, you both got the same amount of chicky. On any surface, this is the surface, okay? This is the surface. This is the surface. The measure of the place occupied a figure in the area of that figures. For example, this is a surface. This is the area, okay? Is measured. Now the measure of the figure should be same no matter who measures it. Hence a square of side 1 centimeter is used as a standard unit. What is the standard unit, children? Standard unit, see, 1 centimeter is the standard unit to measure the area, okay, of the given figure or shape, and we write square centimeter because we are counting square, no, that's why it's square centimeter. So here also see 1 centimeter, 1 square is equal to 1 centimeter. That is the standard formula, standard unit. Now see, second sum, you can see it is 4 centimeter because there are count number of squares, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 squares. That's why we have written 4 centimeter. Now next figure, this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why we have written 9 square centimeter. Now the bigger figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it is 16 square centimeter. So whenever you get this type of a figure, you should not get scared. How I am going to find out? See, the standard unit is set, which is 1 centimeter. So whenever you have this way, you should just count the squares and write the area. Let us solve. See, find the area of the following figures. All small squares are of 1 square centimeter area. Now let us count. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it is 24 square centimeter. Okay, or you can write 24 anything. ये भी लिख सकते हो, ये भी लिख सकते हो. Any way you can write, whichever way any one way you can write. Okay, now the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 square centimeter. Let us write this way only, square centimeter. Okay, because in your textbook four square centimeter. Okay, now let us solve the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8 square centimeter. Now the fourth figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square centimeter. Understood? Simple? Thank you. I hope you have understood. Kindly solve the practice sheet. Thank you.